Hey guys, so when I'm at a seminar, I get a lot of questions about how I rig my downrigger. I rig my downrigger, one, for efficiency, and two, for safety. Let me walk you through what I have set up here. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna notice is on my downrigger wire, I have what looks like a pulley. This is a Canon Retro Ease retriever. That allows me to pull my downrigger cable toward me safely so I don't fall overboard. Below that is the terminal tackle, the Canon terminal tackle, and then I have a Silver Horde rudder flasher attached to the terminal tackle of the downrigger cable. Below that, I have a snubber. And then I have my cannonball. The snubber is designed so that if we are fishing on the bottom and we catch up on something like a crab pot, this will break first and I'll still save the rest of my gear. That's the idea. I attach my downrigger clips to the rudder flasher right here. And if you've attended my seminars before, you know that I like for the downrigger clips to be longer so that I can stand vertically in the boat and clip in. I'm gonna demonstrate. Okay, so when I get my gear in the water, I have the rudder flasher right at the water's edge, the top of the water. That's where I do water zero for my downrigger. So when my downrigger comes up, it will stop with the rudder right at the surface of the water. I have the Retro Ease cord adjusted so it's not pulling tension on the downrigger cable as we're moving through the water. So when it's time to reclip because we caught a fish or maybe we came off the downrigger clip, I'm just going to grab the Retro Ease retriever. I'm going to pull. Now I'm going to grab my downrigger clip and let the downrigger ball back in the water so we continue to track straight. Now I'm standing completely vertical in my boat and I have my clip in my hand. This is going to prevent any accidental falling out of the boat, all of that nonsense. So I clip into my line on my rod and reel, put the gear in the water, then I take it down to depth. I hope this information is helpful to you. Stay safe, stay in your boat. Until next time, thanks for watching.